keep on thinking back on it, when we escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast, I felt the ocean breeze on my face. Wanted to go as far as we ever could. So many years have passed.
Hi, I'm Caitlin, and thank you for clicking on this video and stopping by my channel. In today's episode, I will be decorating for 4th of July. This also works really well for Memorial Day or any patriotic holiday that you might be decorating for.
I'm down and wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. I know you think of it too. They got us down and we ended up sleeping at the worst motel somewhere. We had rashes for days, do you remember that? In spite of everything that we lacked, nothing compares to the freedom we had.
And now for the DIY portion of this video, I will be incorporating a lot of Dollar Tree products to create really fun 4th of July inspired DIYs. First up, I have this Easter sign from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to take off these little pieces and flip it over. I will be using the back of it and just painting it red, white, and blue. Each arrow would be its own color. And then I will be adding some words to give it a nice decorative 4th of July flair.
Cause even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. Cause even I know you showed me your affection, but I was looking for perfection. So I moved on and on and on to someone new, as if no one knew what I was going through. I know you think I'm just pretending, and that I can't rewrite the ending. But to move on and on and on to someone new isn't how you find the one that I am through with playing games. You are not just a flavor of the day. This time, you are more than the flavor of the day. I know you don't know what to expect, but I'm sure that if I just kept moving on and on and on to someone new, I would have never understood that I had you who gave it all.
Next up, I have this wood star from the Dollar Tree, and I want to paint it like a flag, so I'm just going to add some red, white, and blue paint.
This time, you're more than the flavor of the day. You're not just a flavor of the day. This time, you're more than the flavor of the day.
And then I will also add some white and silver sparkly paint to make it look like stars.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark flying in the wind. We all look up to our fathers. All our lives, if all is right, and we all need our mothers when the day is dark as night, and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
Next up, I have this mason jar sign from the Dollar Tree, but you can see that the U is weirdly just the same color as the background, and it really blends in, so I figured why not just use a paint pen and outline the U so it stands out a little bit more.
Are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. The signs are there, right in front of us, for so long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining diamonds, burning bridges as we go. And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking
there's no room for letting it show that I'm scared and alone and I'm feeling small. There's no going back when you lost it all. It's true, I know. Whether I am sure or whether I have doubts about the way I feel, there is nothing left for me to do. One lucky ride don't make a happy life if you can't compete with the people willing to stay on. Don't tell me what to say when I'm all alone. There's nothing left to do when it's said and done. Try facing your own demons and bite your tongue. It's inside of everyone. Rise up, one step closer to where I've been meaning to go. Rise up, 'cause where I'm heading there's no room for letting it show that I'm scared and alone and I'm feeling small. There's no going back when you lost it all. It's true, you know.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. So if you happen to like it, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll have a new video in a few days and I can't wait to see you there. Happy 4th of July!